Thus, the practical significance of this practical. Spreadsheet conditions, functions and formulas are expressions entered into a cell on the spreadsheet software. It is used to perform calculations on the values entered to obtain the desired result. There are numerical, mathematical, trigonometric, statistical, financial, and logical formulas that can make complex calculations. This practical develops the ability to apply formulas, if conditions, function, and named range in many ways. The relevant course outcome is interpret data and represent it graphically using spreadsheet. After performing this practical, you will be able to insert formulas, if condition, functions, and named range in worksheet. To perform this practical, you require some skills like to develop formulas to simplify calculations. You have to apply the conditional statements on spreadsheet data. And also you will be able to apply different functions on spreadsheets data as per your requirement. Some of the theory behind this practical is all worksheets are very important tools in any office related operations. These tools gives the facility to have custom formulas. To use a formula in any of the cell, one need to begin it with equal to symbol followed by the formulas in bracket. User can make use of predefined formulas to perform certain operations such as addition, average, minimum, maximum, etc. One can make use of advanced mathematical formulas like square root, power, and also uses conditional statement like if. To perform this practical, you must require the resources like computer system. You can use any desktop or laptop with basic configuration. Also, you require Office software package. You may go with OpenOffice, StarOffice, LibreOffice, MS Office, or any other such software. To perform this practical, you have to follow the procedure like first you have to work with formulas. So, to do this, select the cell to enter the formula in. Then, type an equal sign in the cell to begin the formula. Type an open parenthesis if necessary. Create a cell reference. Then, enter a mathematical comparison text or reference operator as required. After writing the formula, close the parenthesis for each open parenthesis. The procedure to write a function is select the cell to enter the function, then type an equal sign to enter a function, then type a complete function with necessary parameters by following its syntax, and then press enter key. Alternate way to write the function is click the relevant button provided to insert the function, then select a function from a category, refer cells to enter necessary argument, and then click on OK button. To write if function, you have to follow the procedure like type equal to, then if keyword, then add open brackets, type the conditional statement followed by a comma, then type the value formula if the condition written in conditional statement is satisfied followed by a comma, then type a value or formula if the condition written in conditional statement is unsatisfied, then close the brackets, and after closing the bracket press enter key. Now in this practical you have to perform the exercise like you have to create a worksheet to demonstrate the result of 10 students. Also you have to create a worksheet to demonstrate use of if statement. And then make a new worksheet to demonstrate use of any 5 mathematical functions. Then after that you have to write the practical related questions answer. The first question is name the function that displays a row data in a column and column data in a rows. The second question is write the general syntax of if function. And then the third question is, can we include a function while creating a formula? One by one, we're going to discuss answer of these questions. The answer of first question is transpose option is used to display row data in column and column data in rows. To use the transpose function, you have to follow the following steps. First, select the data to transpose and copy it. Then click on cell from where you want to place the transpose data. Choose paste special command. Mark the transpose option in paste special dialog box. After that, you have to click on OK button to close the dialog box. The second question is write the general syntax of if function. And the answer of this question is the syntax of if function is if keyword, then opening bracket, then in first parameter you have to provide the condition followed by comma, then result 1 followed by result 2. If statement can have two results. If condition is true, then result 1 will get displayed, and if it is false, result 2 is displayed. For example, let us consider this example. If the first parameter is if C6 is greater than or equal to 40, then you have to provide the result as a pass, otherwise provide the result as a fail. Now, the third question is, can we include a function while creating a formula? So, the answer of this question is yes, we can include a function while creating a formula. For example, let us consider this following example. Sum of H12 to H13 plus J13 divided by F13 into K5. Here, in this example,